The South Park police wants all residents to lock all doors and windows immediately. The South Park police is looking for Michael Dietz, who escaped from Colorado State Prison. He is a dangerous man. Do not approach him. If you see a tall man wearing an orange jumpsuit and has blonde hair, dial the South Park police. The South Park police has warned all residents to stay inside immediately. There's a huge riot across the city. Many homes and businesses are being damaged and destroyed, caused by protesters. The South Park police is looking for Eric Cartman, who has been taken by a known suspect around the South Park area. The South Park police is looking for Michael Dietz, who is possible to Eric Cartman, and he is driving a white Ford with the license plate number JKJ and could be heading to Denver. Eric is a white male, wearing brown pants, red hat, a red shirt, and he weighed 90 pounds and height is 5 feet. The South Park police found Michael Dietz and the suspect has been in custody. Eric Hartman has been found safe in Denver, and he's been taken to back home.